Which country became the first to grant women the right to vote at the national level? The correct answer is New Zealand. Which was the first country to adopt Buddhism as a state religion? The correct answer is Sri Lanka. Which was the first university in the world? The correct answer is University of Bologna. Which was the first country to host the modern Olympic Games? The correct answer is Greece. Which was the first country to abolish slavery? The correct answer is Denmark. Who became the first president of the United States? The correct answer is George Washington. Who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations? The correct answer is Trygve Lie. Which was the first country to launch a man into space? The correct answer is Soviet Union. Who was the first person to reach the South Pole? The correct answer is Roald Amundsen. The first successful vaccine was developed against which disease? The correct answer is smallpox. Which was the first country to print paper currency? The correct answer is China. Which was the first cloned animal? The correct answer is sheep. Which country was the first to launch an artificial satellite? The correct answer is Soviet Union. Which was the first artificial satellite in the world? The correct answer is Sputnik 1. Which was the first metal used by humans? The correct answer is copper. Who was the first person to sail around the world? The correct answer is Johann Sebastian Elcano. Which was the first animal sent into space? The correct answer is dog. Who became the first woman in the world to fly into space? The correct answer is Valentina Tereshkova. Which was the first country to use postal stamps? The correct answer is Britain. Which was the first Asian country to host the Olympic Games? The correct answer is Japan. Who was the first Nobel Prize winner in physics? The correct answer is Wilhelm Röntgen. Which country first reached Mars with a successful spacecraft mission? The correct answer is USA. Which was the first country to allow euthanasia legally? The correct answer is Netherlands. Who was the first woman to win 2 Nobel Prizes? The correct answer is Marie Curie. Which was the first civilization to develop writing? The correct answer is Mesopotamian civilization. Who was the first person to climb Mount Everest without oxygen support? The correct answer is Reinhold Messner. Which was the first country to make education compulsory? The correct answer is Scotland. Which was the first country to adopt a written constitution? The correct answer is USA. Who was the first woman to become Chancellor of Germany? The correct answer is Angela Merkel. Who was the first Secretary General of the United Nations from Asia? The correct answer is U Thant.